Hello everyone. In this video we'll see how to install Visual Studio Code in Windows. To download Visual Studio Code, search for VS Code in Google and you will get the link to download it. Click the link. Okay, on this page you can download for Windows, Linux and Mac. I'm using Windows, so I will download for Windows. Click this. Okay, our installation has been started. Will take some time. Okay, our setup file has been downloaded and let's run the setup. Okay, wizard has been started, so let's close this browser. And first of all, we see the agreement. We need to accept it and then next. This is the option if you want to create an icon on your desktop, and the other options, leave all them checked. First two options for files and directories to open directly in Visual Studio Code. And the third option, it will register Visual Studio Code as an editor for the supported files. Like if a file can be opened in Visual Studio Code, it will set Visual Studio Code as the default editor. And the last option to add a path in shell. And now click next. Okay, it is ready to install, and when we click install, it will start installation. Okay, our Visual Studio Code has been installed, and this option is checked that when we click finish, it will launch Visual Studio Code. So let's finish this. Our Visual Studio Code has been installed and running, and this is the welcome screen. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.